Hello KonnectzIt family, welcome to KonnectzIt training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect Notion. So I'm going to take an example. Whenever there is a product purchase happens inside my ThriveCart, which is a cart page. So whenever there is a customer purchase, make a purchase on my ThriveCart, I'm going to store all the customer details on my Notion database page. So let's get started. So go to apps page inside KonnectzIt and search for Notion app and click on the app. So you have to authorize the Notion app. So click on add account. So KonnectzIt will ask you for API token. So you have to place your API token. To generate API token and give access to this API token, you have to go to Notion and under this settings and member, just click on that and click on my connection under your account, and then click on this develop or manage integrations. So it will open you an integration page for you, that is basically your integrations page, and click on new integration and then name your integration. So for example, I'll just name it as KDemo, and if you want to upload, you can upload an image and click on submit, and it will give you an API key. So just copy that API key, come back to KonnectzIt and paste the API key and click on SN continue. So also you have to do one more step, that you have to go to Notion back again. So basically once you save your changes, so once you save the changes, go back to your Notion and then go to your page, respective page. So I'm just going to my respective page, that is demo product purchase list, and in this particular three icon, like three dots, so on top right corner, you have to select that and click on add connections. So in add connections, so you have to search for your particular connection. That will be like, we have just made a connection called KDemo. So I'll just refresh my page just to pull up the saved integration. So just click on this three dots, make sure you click on that and click on add connection, and here you will be get your connection, whichever you made the connection for, just select that and you have to confirm the access for this particular page. So you have to click on confirm, then only it will give you, like whenever you select that particular integration on KonnectzIt, so it will going to give you these respective pages. So this is how you can connect Notion inside KonnectzIt. So now let's go back to KonnectzIt and let's start creating our workflow by clicking on create connect. Let me name my connects as ThriveCart to Notion demo, and then just search for ThriveCart app. So just drag and drop ThriveCart and select your trigger. So I'm going to select the trigger as order success, and then just copy the webhook URL, and based on the instructions provided here, so you have to place the webhook URL. So I'll just show you how to do that. So just log into your ThriveCart account and under this account page, profile page, just click on settings and select API and webhook, and then select this webhook and notifications and click on add another webhook. So here you have to name your webhook and then place the webhook URL. So I'm going to edit the same and then just place my webhook URL over here and click on save this webhook. So once you save that webhook, go back to KonnectzIt and click on capture webhook response. This will enable KonnectzIt to capture the response from your ThriveCart product purchase. So now go to your products and then just click on the URL and make a demo purchase. So I'm going to do as John 2 and then just give my email address itself and my phone number, and then just click on continue. So I'm just using a demo card and complete my order. Yes, I made the successful purchase. So now what I will do is I will go to KonnectzIt and it captured the response. So you can see that from ThriveCart where we place the webhook URL, and under this plus icon you will get the customer details. So whichever it is required, so you can just select that. So you can see all the details under customer 2. So you can just select the name, email and contact number, and if you require ID you can do that, you can select that. Order date, order ID, so whatever it is required, so you can just select. So there will be an ID. So I'm going to select the product name and also the product, this product, and just click on OK. So I have all the details over here, so whichever I selected. So now I'm going to search for Notion app. Just drag and drop Notion. And select my action. So KonnectzIt actually supports all these actions. So you can create a page, update page, like get user details or database details. So I'm going to create a page. So basically I'm just creating a new record on my database. So whenever sale happens, so I will be selecting my account, Notion account, and select the database. So just click on the database and you have to click on this select additional fields. So basically I need all the details, so I just click on all and just click on OK. So now I just need to connect between the nodes, that's it. So basically connect the email to email, phone number to the phone number, purchase quantity over here, and then the name of the customer, product name, so order ID, so which we already have that. So that's it. I am going to hit on test and review. So this will going to create a new record on my Notion. Yes, an order is successfully created inside my Notion page. So now I will go ahead and publish my connect, and let's go ahead and test that in our Notion page. Yes, you can see this guys. So a new ID, so that is order ID and the product name, and also the value is being added over here, created successfully. So now let me go ahead and create a new purchase to test our connects. So I'll go to my order page in ThriveCart and then just do another purchase. So I'm going to change the name as just give my email address and then just click on continue and select the card details. So I'm going to do one more purchase for just for reference. Already did one, so let me go ahead and do one more. This time I go with Lisa, different email address and even the phone number too. So just select these details